dishwasher just ain't cutting it anymore, your silverware and your glasses are spotty, this is the reason why. You've got a filter that needs to be maintained, and it can get pretty cruddy and disgusting over time. It needs to be cleaned out and sterilized because it breeds and harbors disgusting bacteria which can make you sick and keep your dishwasher from doing what it's designed to do, which is to thoroughly clean and sanitize your dishes. Unscrew the filter counterclockwise and place it in a rack.
You run bleach and dish soap or vinegar and baking soda just in the bottom. And I'm gonna run it in a simple hot cycle. High temp. Way better.
And look, no standing water anymore. Pull this out. Yeah. Perfect.
And then you can just use the toothbrush to scrub the rest of this off.
And what does the dishes look like now? Like a dish?
These are just to use in the garage, but they are more clean.
Yeah, no spotty.
Yep.
Okay. Some additional tips. Don't forget to top off your jet dry. And make sure you rinse your dishes before you put them in. Scrape off the crud to prevent that from happening so fast.